Simply Safe on. Home.
The sound of home sweet home. Funny, statistics show guys in my profession avoid places with home security. Still, only 1 in 5 houses has it. You know, maybe it's because traditional security companies make it such a pain, robbing you blind with hidden costs and contracts, which, as a career larcenist, I gotta respect. But there's only one security system that's good enough for my house and my family. Simply Safe. With 24/7 professional monitoring, if something's going down, Simply Safe can send video verification directly to police. Yes? Which helps them respond up to 3.5 times faster. You're losing your touch, Larry! With whole home protection, Simply Safe watches every door and window. With motion and glass break sensors, a panic button, and a freakishly loud siren to encourage guys like me to leave fast. With Simply Safe's Video Doorbell Pro, you'll know if the person at your door is friend or foe. With my smart lock, I can let him in. Entrez-vous, and I can lock up from right here. Simply Safe doesn't just protect you from guys like moi. It can also defend against other home hazards like fire and water damage from leaks.
Water sensor triggered.
And unlike security gadgets that only watch a room or two, Simply Safe has everything you need to blanket your home with protection. You can set it up yourself or have a security specialist do it for you. No wonder both PC Magazine and CNET named Simply Safe their editor's choice. They may not be as well acquainted with home security as I, but they know their stuff. Plus, Simply Safe is just $15 a month with no contract, so I'm never locked in. I've been there. Not my thing. So take it from an expert. Get Simply Safe and protect home like a pro.
Each system comes with free shipping and a 60-day risk-free guarantee at simplysafe.com.
Hi there. What, you're going so soon?
At Ring, we reinvented the doorbell, and now we're reinventing home security with Ring Alarm. Protecting the things that matter most is simpler than ever. Here's how. Make it yours. Every home is different. Every family's unique, so choose the Ring alarm that fits your needs. Go small, go medium, go big. Whoever you are, wherever you live, there's a Ring alarm for you.
Even me?
Sure, if you've got Wi-Fi.
I do.
And install it yourself. He can do it. She can do it. They can sort of do it.
Higher. Perfect. Ooh, it needs to go over here, actually.
And it's just as easy to take down and pack up.
So I can take it with me when I move?
It's all yours, with absolutely no contracts or long-term commitments.
Yeah, commitment's not really my thing.
It's all on your phone. The Ring app puts your Ring alarm and all your Ring cameras seamlessly into one place. Monitor everything no matter where you are.
Excuse me one moment.
See your stuff from here.
Excuse me. Yeah, can you please put that down?
Check in on the house from here.
Dude, did you leave the door open?
And lock your door from here.
I can do that?
Yep.
Cool.
It's more than just security. Ring Alarm doesn't just keep your home safe from this guy. It keeps it safe from flood, freeze, and fire. There's even a panic button, just in case of catastrophes. Right, okay, moving on. It's smart, like if your hands are full, just tell Alexa smart.
Alexa, arm Ring away.
Ring is armed in away mode.
Or if your alarm is triggered, your lights and camera turn on smart. Or you can tell this guy he's not so smart.
Not so smart, dude.
Sorry, I'll be a better person!
And if you're not by your phone, this guy will send these guys to the rescue smart.
Hey.
Hey.
So you can relax knowing that you've got Ring Alarm. The simplest, most affordable, home protecting, crime deterring, smoke detecting, flood sensing, frozen pipe alerting, family rescuing, peace of mind giving, Alexa integrating, life-saving security system that we've ever invented.
The things you cherish and the people you love are right behind this door. That's why protection starts here. And Arlo has you covered with our first video doorbell. See the important moments outside your door, from head to toe. Receive alerts when they matter, so you can know before they knock. And clearly hear guests like you're there, with a doorbell that calls your phone directly, so you can answer from anywhere. It's built to handle everything that steps up to your front door, so you can protect everyone who matters on the other side.
The Abode Essentials Kit contains everything you need to get started with the smart home security system, and it's incredibly easy to install. The Essentials Kit includes the gateway, the heart of the Abode home security system, which has a built-in siren, battery, and cellular backup, one mini door window sensor, one indoor motion sensor, one remote key fob to easily arm or disarm your system, and broad smart home technology support with Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Abode RF connectivity built in, allowing you to connect all of your favorite smart home products to one central system that you control. The gateway also includes Abode's powerful automation engine, which means you can customize your home's devices according to your lifestyle and needs, and access to your Abode system through the free mobile and web apps to review activity in your home, set up customizations and rules, and keep an eye on things when you're home or away. The Abode Essentials Kit helps you get started, but is also flexible and allows you to add other products to build the smart home security system that makes sense for you and your home.
Check out the baby's room humidity.
Humidity in the baby room is dry at 24%.
Turn on the humidifier in the baby's room.
Okay, the humidifier is on.
The OneLink Safe and Sound helps protect your home and family with trusted First Alert technology, smoke, and a carbon monoxide alarm. It's also a custom nightlight where you choose the color and brightness. A premium home speaker. And with embedded Alexa, use it to set timers.
Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
Ask questions and so much more.
Alexa, how's my commute looking?
The fastest route takes about 45 minutes via I-88 and a 294.
The OneLink Safe and Sound is there when you need it most and alerts you both at home and on your phone.
Evacuate. There's fire in
guest bedroom.
Evacuate. Evacuate. There's fire in
guest bedroom.
Evacuate.
Meet your family's new best friend, the OneLink Safe and Sound by First Alert.
We know your life is busy, so our all-in-one security system does the hard work for you. Just set it up and it'll tell you what you need to know. With Honeywell Smart Home Security, you can check on what's happening at home even when you're not there. You'll know the kids got home on time, thanks to an alert when they come through the door.
Alexa, is it gonna rain today?
It probably won't rain in Atlanta today. There's only a 25% chance.
Have you walked the dog yet?
And if an issue is detected when no one's around, you can take action. Wherever you are, it's easy to check on your home around the clock. and know who's been up to mischief. Adding sensors extends your coverage, even outdoors. So, if an unwelcome visitor is spotted outside, you'll know. And they'll know you know. Smart home security helps give you confidence when you're away. And when you return, your system can see your home and is ready to greet you. The Smart Home Security System from Honeywell. It's good to know.
Introducing the next generation Wink Hub 2. Faster and more reliable, Wink Hub 2 brings hundreds of products from trusted brands together into a simple, intuitive smart home experience. Wink Hub 2 is designed to be featured in your home, not hidden behind cords. Sleeker, more refined, and 25% slimmer, the upright design maximizes range to ensure Wink Hub 2 communicates with your smart products smoothly. Wink brings together the best smart home brands, so you can choose the smart products you like and know with confidence they'll work seamlessly together. That's why the new Wink Hub 2 supports more smart home technologies than any other. An improved Wi-Fi radio and the addition of an Ethernet port improve connectivity, while an upgraded core provides increased processing speeds and more memory. This makes controlling your devices faster, while allowing us to offer advanced automations like locally run schedules and robots. Security is paramount when it comes to your home. Wink Hub 2 includes new hardware mechanisms that prevent tampering and ensure your hub is only running on trusted software. Connecting your Wink Hub 2 couldn't be easier. The Wink app will automatically discover your hub and get you set up in a matter of minutes. You can also quickly transfer all of your smart products and personal settings from the original hub to Wink Hub 2. The Wink Hub you love just got better.